Using a plunge router to drill holes is a great option in woodworking. It provides a stable base, it's completely perpendicular to the work. It allows you to use jigs and fixtures to get your holes in the right place, and it provides the high speeds which are necessary for drilling holes in timber. You also get the benefit of improved dust extraction. So there's only really one kind of cutter I'm going to recommend to go in your router for drilling holes, and that is a multi-boring dowel drill. They do come in a couple of different varieties. This one is a lip and spur bit, which you will recognise. That gives you a good clean finish on the entry. And this one is a V-point bit. That's for an improved finish on the exit. Both of these are 10mm cutters, but you don't need to buy a different collet. We do this sleeve that goes from 10mm to 1/2 inch, so you can put it in your 1/2 inch router. We also do some 8mm shank ones. This is a lip and spur, so that they will go directly into most of the smaller plunge routers and the trim routers with a plunge base, because most of those now come with an 8mm collet. If you haven't got an 8mm collet, I'd recommend you did get one, because lots of stuff is coming through as 8mm now. Just a little word on this. I've seen, and I talk to people quite often that are drilling holes with a router cutter. And router cutters aren't really suitable for drilling holes. They're not designed for that. They're actually more expensive than a drill bit, and they won't last as long in that operation. So it's much cheaper to use the right tool, and you'll get a better job. So hopefully when you place your next order and if you're drilling with your router, you'll have a go with one of these. So thanks very much for watching. I hope that was informative. And if you would please, if you could give us a thumbs up, that would be great. Thank you.